Yeah, so a bad bitch just came from the motherfucking club and shit. It's motherfucking 2 o'clock in the motherfucking morning. You know, I'm a LA bitch, so I go home at 2. I can't hang till 5. You dig me? I'm out here in motherfucking Florida. Took my baby girl and my mama and shit on a motherfucking trip. And I'm out here by myself. So I tried to go to the club by myself, which was a bad idea. Even though I got it cracking, I didn't have no motherfucking fun. I'm drunk. I threw up all over the motherfucking toilet and bounced. I'm driving down motherfucking 17th Street on my motherfucking way to the motherfucking Sagamore to where I be staying at. It's bitches in the motherfucking road about to get squished by a rental car. What's happening, baby? Why you walking by yourself, baby girl? You don't need no ride? Bitches is scared of a hoe. I don't even care though. White bitch ass. Bitch, walk by yourself, hoe. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, it's crucial in Florida. I know you just seen the motherfucking AIDS sign on the motherfucking bus and shit. It's crucial. Anyways, I gotta go. I'm tripping. Driving down the street.